In the previous video, we saw what denary is, what binary is, and what hexadecimal is, and how do they work and why do they exist. So now we are going to learn how to convert from one number system to another. Alright, so first in this video we'll be looking at how to convert denary to binary. So uh, denary, or the base 10 number system, we are going to convert to binary, which is a base 10 number system. So this is fairly simple. Uh, this is how we convert denary to binary. What we do is for example, I will take a few numbers, let's say starting from 50, and then I'll take 78, 43, and 120. All right. So when I said it's fairly simple, it's basically dividing by 2, right? We divide 50 by 2, right? 5 divided by 2 is 2, and we get a 5 is an odd number, so we get a balance of 1, right? So we put the 1 here and we get it with the next digit, we get 10. So 10 divided by 2 is 5, and then we get a balance of 0. And then we continue the same pattern. 2 divided by 2 is 1, 5 divided by 2 is 2, balance is 1. 12 divided by 2 is 6, balance is 0. 6 divided by 2 is 3, balance is 0. 2 divided by 2, 3 divided by 2 is 1, balance is 1. So we do this up until the point where we get the value 1 at the end. So starting from this 1, we go like this from the bottom to the top and we write this number. So 50, denary 50 is equal to 110010 in binary. 110010 in binary. Alright. Now let's see let's do the same thing with 78. So when we are converting 78, the same method, 78 we divide by 2, which is 7 divided by 2 is 3, balance is 1. 18 divided by 2 is 9, balance is 0. 39 divided by 2 we get 3 divided by 2 is 1, balance 1. 19 divided by 2 is 9 and balance is 1. Then 19 divided by 2 is 19. When we divide by 2 we get 9 and a balance of 1. So again 9 divided by 2 we get 4 and a balance of 1, and 4 divided by 2 we get a 2 and a balance of 0, and then 2 divided by 2 we get 1 and a balance of 0. Alright, so what we do is we write it from the bottom to the top again. So we get 78 denary is equal to 1001110, 1001110 in binary. Alright, now let's look at 43. Alright, I'll just bring the 43 down here so that it will be much more clear for us. So 43 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 3 divided by 2 is 1 and the balance is 1. So 21 divided by 2 is 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 1 cannot be divided by 2, so we get 0 over here and the balance will be 1. Then 10 divided by 2, it will be 5, balance is 0. 5 divided by 2 is 2, balance 1. 2 divided by 2 we get 1 and the balance is 0. So 43 denary is equal to 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 in binary. Alright, now let's look at how to convert 120 into binary. 120 divided by 2 uh, we get 60, or 1 cannot be divided by 2, so we get 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6, and 0 cannot be divided by 2, so we put a 0 and the balance is 0. So 120 divided by 2 is 60. And then we get 60 divided by 2, we get 30, balance 0. 6 divided by 2 is 3, 0 cannot be divided, so we get 0. Alright. Next we have 30 divided by 2. 30 divided by 2, 3 divided by 2 is 1, and that we get a balance of 1. 10 divided by 2 is 5, and balance is 0. Then we get 15 divided by 2, we get a 7 and a balance of 1. 7 divided by 2 is 3 and balance 1. 3 divided by 2 is 1 and balance 1. So we get 120 denary is equal to 1111,000 in binary. 1111,000 in binary. Alright, so that is it for the when we are converting denary to binary. So in the next video we'll be looking in how to